The upcoming Vivo X300 Ultra is currently one of the most exciting flagship smartphones being discussed in the tech world. After being showcased at Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona, new information about its camera technology and hardware has continued to appear. With a powerful dual 200-megapixel camera system, a professional zoom lens accessory, and flagship performance hardware, the Vivo X300 Ultra aims to push smartphone photography closer to professional camera quality. The official launch is expected later in 2026. Once released, the Vivo X300 Ultra will compete with other premium flagship smartphones and could become one of the most powerful camera-focused phones on the market. Welcome to my technological world. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. Now introducing Vivo X300 Ultra. The Vivo X300 Ultra is expected to be the most premium model in the upcoming X300 series. From the information revealed so far, the smartphone will focus mainly on advanced mobile photography and high-end hardware performance. One of the biggest highlights of the Vivo X300 Ultra is its next-generation camera setup. The device is expected to include a 200-megapixel main camera sensor that can capture extremely sharp photos with excellent detail. This sensor is designed to perform well even in low-light environments. Alongside the primary camera, the phone may also feature another high-resolution periscope telephoto camera for long-distance zoom photography, as well as an ultra-wide camera for landscape shots. The combination of these cameras will allow users to capture different types of photos without losing image quality. A very interesting innovation shown with this phone is the telephoto extender lens system. This special accessory allows an external zoom lens to attach to the smartphone, dramatically improving zoom capability. Demonstrations showed that the phone could capture distant subjects with extremely high clarity, bringing smartphone photography closer to professional camera systems. The Vivo X300 Ultra is also expected to feature a large, high-resolution OLED display with a smooth refresh rate. To power this advanced smartphone, Vivo is likely to use a high-performance flagship processor paired with large RAM and storage options. This hardware will ensure smooth multitasking, strong gaming performance, and fast processing for AI-powered camera features. Reports suggest that the phone could include a large battery capacity designed for all-day use. Fast charging support will also allow users to quickly recharge the phone when needed. So guys, this is fresh information about new Vivo X300 Ultra. I hope you like this video. For more video, hit the like button. Press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos.